I think Sean is open-minded, he's astute, and he is intrepid.
Sean is a hard worker. He came to the United States with a dream and had to live on his own, build his personal life, his business life, and he never gave up.
Well, industry-wide, the biggest single change that impacted us was the fact that about 20 years ago, the airlines decided they really didn't need to pay travel agencies a commission. And then 2 years later was the advent of the internet for travel. A lot of agencies had a hard time making the adaptation to that. We were successful in doing that.
I think what makes Sean such a great leader is that he has this incredible curiosity and passion.
Sean is involved in the process. You always know that if there's ever an issue, you can pick up the phone and talk to Sean, and he's going to be available to help you out.
And when you have the opportunity to do business with a lot of different options, a lot of different alternatives, working with someone you trust and working with someone who is a friend, that's what draws you to Sean.
My biggest professional accomplishment to date, I guess, has been keeping this business alive and thriving. I'm very proud of the people that we have in our company that have helped me achieve that.
Our mission statement is our employees come first. And people might think that we're crazy in saying that, but if you have a happy employee, in turn, you're going to get good service to your clients.
He is every bit about the social support and the social arena and helping people to get on their feet, stay on their feet.
Sean, congratulations. This honor is just absolutely well-deserved on your behalf. I know the time and effort that you have put into this business, and I know the time and effort that you've put into the community, and more especially the nonprofit community.
It has been a privilege to not only know you as a volunteer in the community, but to know you as a successful businessman and a wonderful friend.
You have earned this award. You are an incredible leader in this community. You've been a mentor for me, and you've been incredibly supportive with my business, and I know that you have for so many others.
You've given to this community, you've given to your clients, and now we give you our congratulations.
I want to thank Stout Advisors for being the sponsor of this award. I want to thank the Chamber. This truly is a phenomenal chamber. This group accomplishes so much. I miss not being on the board. My family, my wife and my son have both helped me be who I am. And I cannot forget all of the employees that work at Travel Time. They have been an inspiration to me over the years, and they have been the reason for my success, and I thank them for them. Last but certainly not least, I want to thank my sister. She passed away just a couple of months ago, but she has been a strong instrument in making me who I am. She was almost a parent to me, although she was my best friend, and I know she's listening from up there right now.